Hi everyone, it's Chris here. Just wanted to say hello to you all, welcome you all here. We're here at Chacewater Garden Centre over near Truro and also Goonhavern Garden Centre over near Newquay. You can also shop online with us 7 days a week on cornwallgardenshop.com, where you'll find a vast range of our products and things. Take a look over there. Also look around our social media channels. We're on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. Come check us out. Please do get in touch. Let us know what you think, or if there's anything you'd like to see or anything you want from us, any ideas, tips, this kind of thing. You can always email us, info@Goonhavern Garden Centre or info@chacewatergardencentre.com. Let us know what you want to see, and we'll see you soon. Thanks very much.
It's just going to be going round and round.
Don't have me back.
Right.
Sorry, start that again. Hi everyone, I'm Chris.
He wants to come up. He doesn't want to cuddle. He doesn't want to cuddle.
Yeah, I think it might be a bit too much.
I haven't even got any makeup on. So, what's coming up?
It's going to be a long day.